How to schedule an Uber ride in advance. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Uber app or go to the Uber web browser. Then make sure you are signed in to your Uber account and a payment method is set up. Now there, all you have to do is tap on the request a ride button available there. Inside request a ride, you can see the icon with the clock or the option schedule available there. Now choose the exact date and pickup time you want your ride. Uber usually lets you schedule ride 15 minutes to 30 days in advance depending on location. Type in your pickup location and drop off address and confirm that both are correct. Choose from the available options, review the details like time, date, location, and fare estimate, and tap register or schedule to lock it in. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.